Hello friends! I've never gotten rid of mice and rats faster. Today, I'm sharing a simple recipe with you that will help you naturally eliminate rodents without toxins and poisons. It's quick and easy. Dear gardeners, to be the first to see every new video, subscribe to the channel. It's completely free. Like this video as a sign of support for the channel and share it with friends who need to see it. You will need baking soda and sugar. This mixture can be deadly for mice because baking soda reacts with the acid in their stomachs. Mix equal parts baking soda and sugar, then place this mixture in areas where you notice rodents. Make sure to place it in areas that are out of reach for children and pets. It's important to note that these methods can be helpful for deterring mice and rats, but sometimes it may be necessary to combine different strategies or use other pest control measures, especially if you have a serious problem. If the problem persists, it might be best to consult a pest control expert to find an effective solution. Dear friends, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends.